I don't think people understand how puppy mills really work. It's not just about breeding puppies, it's about profit over welfare. Let's break it down. Puppy mills are large-scale breeding facilities. They put profit first and animal welfare last. Dogs in puppy mills are often kept in crowded, dirty cages, with little socialization or care. Many puppies end up sick or with lifelong health problems. Buying from pet stores can unknowingly support these mills. Buying online can unknowingly support these mills. Instead, consider adopting from shelters. From responsible breeders who treat their animals with love. Remember, every puppy deserves a good start in life.